we discuss today our chapter 5th of class 12 of mathematics, continuity and differentiability. We are doing NCERT exercise 5.1, question number 5. Here question is, check the continuity of a function f defined as f of x is equal to x and 5, x when x is less than or equal to 1 and 5 when x is greater than 1. So continuity test at x is equal to 0. So f of LHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h, means where we have to check at 0 minus h, means less than 1 it is, so it is only applicable here. So it will be limit h tends to 0 0 minus h. On solving limit, because in place of x we are writing 0 minus h only, so it will be 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0 only. Now f of 0 is equal to what? It is 0 only, because less than 1 means it is 0. Here at 0 we have to find, so this only is applicable, because for less than or equal to 1 we have to do this only. So it is f of 0, which is 0, and RHL means right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. So 1 is, of course, it is 1 which is greater than 0 also. So for 0 plus h also this is applicable, this only. So limit h tends to 0, 0 plus 0 will be there, sorry 0 plus h will be there. On solving limit it will again 0. This is equal to 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0 only. So therefore f of x is continuous, because LHL is equal to f of 0 is equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, because this LHL is also 0, f of 0 is also 0, and RHL is also 0. So all the three values are 0 only. So LHL is equal to f of 0 is equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. This first part is over here, this part. Now see, where we have to check at x is equal to 1. So continuity test at x is equal to 1. Here it is, this will become 1 minus h. So here also it will become 1 minus h, because it is x only, 1 minus h. Here we have to check at 1. So it is 1 minus. So at 1 minus h means less than 1. For less than 1 it is 1 minus h. So it will be 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1 only. Now f of 1 is also equal to 1, because in place of x here it is equal to also. So at x is equal to 1 also we have to check here only. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Now RHL means 1 plus. At 1 plus h this will become 1 plus h. So for 1 plus h it is clearly mentioned in the question only that for greater than 1 it is 5. So you may directly write here 5. So LHL is equal to f of 1, but it is not equal to RHL. LHL is equal to, see, this is also 1, this is also 1. So LHL is equal to f of 1, but it is not equal to RHL. Therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. It proves that it is not continuous. Why is it so? Because for greater than 1 means for 1 plus h it is 5. It is defined here for greater than 1. For less than 1 it is 1 only. For equal to 1 also it is 1 only. But for greater than 1 it is 5. So function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Now we have to check at x is equal to 2, this particular function only. So at x is equal to 2 means here it is 2 minus h. This will become 2 minus h. So at 2 minus h means what? This complete will be finished because greater than 1, but it is 2 minus h means less than 2, greater than 1 means here it is how much? For greater than 1 we are checking it at 2. So greater than 1 will be 5 only. 2 is which point? Which is greater than 1. So that's why it is defined 5 only. And f of 2 is also 5 because for greater than 1 it is directly given constant function, that is 5. It is constant value which is 5. Now for 2 plus means RHL. So at 2 plus it will become 2 plus h. So here also it is 5. All the points, at all the points it is 5 because 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So at 2 we have to check it in this manner. For greater than 1 it is defined only 5, means constant function it is defined. So it is everywhere 5 here. So LHL is equal to f of 2 is equal to RHL. That's why we can say that this function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Continuous at x is equal to 2. This function is continuous at x is equal to 2. So this question 5th is now over. See, it's question 6th. Find point of discontinuity of function f defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2 and it is 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So we are applying here continuity test at x is equal to 2. Continuity test at x is equal to 2. Because it is defined on 2, so it is very easy to check it on 2. LHL, it is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x, which can be written as limit h tends to 0 f of 2 minus h, means less than 2. So for less than 2 this will be applicable. So we may write here limit h tends to 0 2 into 2 minus h, because in place of x what we are writing? 2 minus h. So 2 into 2 minus h plus 3. On solving limit this will become 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So this is left hand limit, which is 7. Now f of 2 means for equal to 2 it is this only. See, equal to sign is here only. So we have to put in place of x 2 directly. So 2 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 4 plus 3. So it will be equal to 7. F of 2 is 7. Now RHL we are doing. RHL is equal to, means right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, that can be written as limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h, means for greater than 2 it is this. So we have to put value of x, this 2 plus h, in this function. So limit h tends to 0 2 into 2 plus h minus 3. On solving limit this will be 2 into 2 plus 0 minus 3. So it will be 2 to the 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Here it is 7, here it is 7, but here it is 1. So that's why it is not continuous. Let us write at final stage of the question. Because LHL is equal to f of 2, but it is not equal to RHL. Therefore, f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. We have to find the point of discontinuity only. So point of discontinuity is what? At x is equal to 2, it is discontinuous. So this question 6 is now over. And thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it.